I've mastered hundreds of songs with my cochlear implant over 23 years, and I'm still discovering new training patterns that work. I refuse to be stuck with the same 10 songs forever. Today, 5 training patterns I've been testing. Here's what blew my mind. I spent 10 minutes listening to music before calling my bank about a mortgage issue, called every number they threw at me. Music training doesn't just help you hear songs, it sharpens your brain for the conversations that actually matter. Drop your own patterns in the comments. I want to know what's working for you. Pattern 1. Cross-modal training. Watch music while you listen. When you watch a guitarist's fingers, dancers moving to rhythm, or a conductor's hands, those visual timing cues help you lock on to what you are hearing. Recent studies confirm this works specifically for CI users. This changed my entire approach to music. Music videos instead of audio files, live concert footage on YouTube. The visual information gives context your ears alone can't capture. Movement, timing, rhythm, all of it feeds into better comprehension. Pick a song you are struggling with right now. Find a live performance video on YouTube. See if watching fills in what your ears are missing. This next one's physical, and honestly, I didn't believe it until I read the data. Pattern 2. Vibrotactile training. Feel the music. Don't just hear it. When I'm learning a new song now, I put my hand directly on the speaker. At concerts, I position myself close enough to feel the vibrations in my chest. This isn't about enjoying bass, it's actual training. Recent research showed something surprising. CI users who feel music through touch don't just improve music perception. Their speech test scores got better afterward too. Touch gives your brain additional information about rhythm, timing, when sounds land. It fills in what the CI misses on its own. Simple to test. Next time you're listening to music, touch the speaker, feel the physical vibrations while you're hearing the audio. That speech finding made me wonder, what if I deliberately use music as a tool? Pattern 3. Music as auditory warm-up. Use music training before high-stakes listening. Here's how I discovered this. I had a crucial phone call with my mortgage broker, complicated financial discussion, lots of numbers, high stress. I was dreading it because phone calls are tough for me. That morning I'd been listening to music for about 20 minutes just because I enjoy it. Got on the call and something felt different. I was catching more, following faster. My brain felt sharper, so I started testing it deliberately. 15 minutes of music before important phone calls, before work meetings in loud coffee shops, before family dinners where everyone talks over each other. Music training isn't just about enjoying songs, it's a functional tool for the speech understanding you actually need in daily life. Before your next challenging conversation, spend 10 minutes listening to music. Test it yourself. Now here's where most people get this completely wrong. Pattern 4. Lyric priming method. Lyrics before, during, then without. Most people just read lyrics while listening and wonder why songs still sound unclear. There's a specific 3-step sequence that actually works. Step 1. Google the lyrics. Read them completely before hitting play. This primes your brain with a roadmap of what's coming. Step 2. Listen while reading along 5 or 6 times. You are deliberately building the sound-to-word connection, not hoping it happens, forcing it to happen. Step 3. Test yourself without lyric. Can you predict what's coming next? Can you fill in the gaps independently? Prime, reinforce, test. That's the methodology. I've cut my song learning time in half using this sequence. And this last one completely changed how fast I can master new songs. Pattern 5. Progressive complexity. Never start with the full version. I discovered this progression and everything accelerated. When I want to learn a new song now, I find 3 different versions. Start with an acoustic or piano cover, one instrument only, master that melody, get it locked down in your head. Next, move to 2 elements, piano and vocals, acoustic guitar and vocals. Now you are training your brain to track 2 distinct sound sources at the same time. Another few listens here. Finally, tackle the full studio version, drums, bass, guitars, synths, everything layered together. But by this point, the melodic structure already familiar, you are not overwhelmed, you're just adding layers to something you already understand. Build playlists that follow this progression for songs you want to learn. What used to take me weeks now takes days. 23 years taught me this. Mastering music with a CI isn't about finding one trick that fixes everything. It's about having a toolkit of training patterns you adapt to whatever song you are tackling. Here's what I want you to remember. Your brain is still adapting. Even if music sounded terrible yesterday, these patterns can unlock progress today. What patterns are working for your music journey? Drop them in the comments below. I learn from this community as much as everyone learns from me. Your breakthrough might be exactly what someone else needs to hear. Hit subscribe for more CI music strategies. I'm constantly testing new approaches and I'll keep sharing what actually works. The music you want to hear, it's closer than you think. See you in the next video.